Company Limited was founded in 2010. The company operates a number of brands involving many aspects of sales and supply. The consumer group covers children to adults with a wide range of products and professional services. We are the licensee and ODM supplier of Hasbro, 6 years now. Acting sales brand Wilson, private brand Pro Select, acting supply and sales of Wilson football, basketball, volleyball, rugby, and other team sports products from 2010 to 2019. The core management of Grand Sport is from Wilson, Spalding, and Nike. Have more than 20 years practical experience on team ball, basketball, soccer ball, volleyball, football, rugby, tennis, and badminton equipment supply chain. We are also the supplier of YAO Foundation, KFC China Open, FIBA 3x3 China Tour, CNT, and WCBA. Our specialized R&D team, professional and experienced, continuously stable supply chain, diversified product selection, well received at domestic and overseas. We provide you the professional design service and also customized service about variety specifications, material, and technology with experienced manufacturing experience in basketball, football, volleyball, and peripheral products. Strict product control and professional design team. We provide a variety of customized products. We also provide logo, leather, color, ball size, and other customization. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You will find a stable and quality supplier with surprising price. Good cooperation, my friend. We are here waiting for you.